Okay, hello everyone. So this session, we are going to have a sort of review about the following topics. So first, the word transversal lines. When we say transversal lines, this is the line that intersect two coplanar lines at two different points. Next, we have the word parallel lines. When we say parallel lines, these are the lines that are coplanar and do not intersect. Next, the word is corresponding angles. When we say corresponding angles, this is a pair of non-adjacent interior and exterior angles on the same side of a transversal. And the measure of all corresponding angles is always congruent. Okay, next. We define the word polygon as a flat or plane, two-dimensional closed shape bounded with straight sides and vertices. It does not have curved lines, and the sides of these polygons are also called its edges. Next, these are the examples of a polygons. So we have here, the polygons is always straight lines, composed of straight lines, always close shape, and all the ends are connected with each other. But when we say if it is not a polygon, the figure, as you can see, not a straight line and not a close shape. Okay, suppose we are given this figure. So we have here angle 2, angle 4, 6, 8, angle 1, 3, 5, and 7. So to identify the corresponding angles, so of course we have here angle 2 and angle 1. So this angle corresponds to angle 1. Another pair, angle 4, this angle corresponds to angle 3. Okay, the third pair of corresponding angle is this angle 6 correspond to angle 5. And last pair of corresponding angle, we have angle 8, this angle correspond to angle 7. Next, how about alternate interior angles? So based on the figure, so one pair of alternate interior angles, we have angle 6 and angle 3. The second pair, we have angle 8 and angle 1. Okay, next, the word is alternate exterior angles. So based on the figure again, our first alternate exterior angles, we have angle 2 and this angle, angle 7. The second pair of alternate exterior angles, we have angle 4 and angle 5. Next, same side interior angles. Based on the figure we have here, the angle 6 and angle 1. Another pair of same side interior angles, we have angle 8 and angle 3. Next, same side exterior angles. So, again, we have angle 2 and angle 5. Another pair of exterior angles, same side, we have angle 4 and angle 7. Okay, suppose we are given this figure and we have here the corresponding angles, angle 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 3, 5, and 7. If we are given this question, if measure of angle 2, this angle is equal to 120 degrees, then The question is, what is the measure of angle 1? Since we are given this angle 2 correspond to angle 1, and again, all corresponding angles is always congruent. So, if angle 2 is 120 degrees, since they are congruent, our angle 1 is also 120 degrees. Okay, next example. If measure of angle 2 again is 120 degrees, then what is the measure of angle 8? As you can see in our illustration, angle 2 and angle 8 are vertical angles, and all vertical angles is always congruent. So, if measure of angle 2 is 120 degrees, meaning the measure of our angle 8 is also 120 degrees. Okay, supposing we are given this illustration, and if measure of our angle 2 is 120 degrees, what will be the measure of our angle 4? As you can see, angle 2 and angle 4 are linear pair, meaning to say they are supplementary angles. And also supplementary angle is equal to 180 degrees. So what are you going to do? 180 degrees minus 120 degrees, that will give you 60 degrees, meaning to say our angle 4 is 60 degrees. So let's proceed to the polygons. First column are the polygons. On our second column, the number of sides correspond to each polygon. So, of course, a triangle, we have 3 sides. Quadrilateral, we have 4 sides. Pentagon, 5 sides. Hexagon, 6 sides. Heptagon, 7 sides. Octagon, we have 8 sides. Nonagon, we have 9 sides. Decagon, 10 sides. 11 sides, that is what we call undecagon. And lastly, 12 sides, that is dodecagon. So, that's all for today. Thank you.